Okay, greetings to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Please hoping you guys to subscribe after. So here right now, my channel we're going to be studying Arduino from scratch, and we're going to do so many projects, either physically or on proteus. The time will be seen. So let's go right now. Today we're starting about push button project. Yeah, only the LED with the push button. That's the simplest project on Arduino. So we are going to require an Arduino Uno. So as you can see, here it is. You say okay, I will require a push button. So here it is, push button. You say okay, and finally a LED which should be controlled by the push button. You wanna see yellow LED. Yeah, yellow LED, which is this. And we say okay. So those are all the components we need. So let's do the connections. So I'll get to the programming part. So our button. Okay, so when taking the pins, you take them very into consideration because you need them in doing your programming so that you don't confuse stuff. Actually, when you confuse the pins, your code has so many errors. So our LED here right now is going to be connected to the ground. Get that ground. So we need to power our push button so that you're able to send the signal to the Arduino. And the Arduino right now send it back to the LED. That's the power. Get it for the simple. Okay, the connections here, they are alright, they are done. That's all for now. So right now we'll get to the programming part. So actually I wrote already the program. It is, I'm just going to explain right now. So just like you see programming, you need to initialize the pins you have been using, so that at least you facilitate understanding for another programmer. Yeah. So our LED pin was set to pin 8 to make sure it was that, and our button pin was set to pin 13. So right now this button state gives us the state of the button, as you all know. Yeah. So either the button is off or on. So it is off, the LED should be off. If it comes on, the LED should come on. So in our void setup right now, we need to specify the mode of each pin. Which pin is giving an input to the Arduino, and each pin is giving an output, that's taking an output from the Arduino. So as you all know, the push button pin is the one giving the input, and in our void loop right now, as you can read, the main code here to run repeatedly. So here is what we have in our void loop. And if function, if button state is high, digital right high for the pin. Okay, so right now we compile our program. Need right now to link it with proteus. Follow this step very well. Export compile program. After it says show sketch folder. After showing sketch folder, take note of where it is. It is found in what? Documents. I go to Arduino. From Arduino right now, sketch node 2A. Okay, I select one of these. I will minimize the size. Get right now to proteus. Double tap on Arduino. You see this got be a program file. That's where it's going to be looked. From program file right now, you go to PC so that you will see the documents right now. As you also it was in Arduino. So you depend on where you are saving your file. So when you are saving your file, make sure you take that into consideration. Okay, here it is. Okay, we'll take this guy here, and that's all. Okay, so we have loaded our code in Arduino. Let's compile our sketch. So right now it is running. Right now we're going to press the push button. The LED comes on. Okay, thanks you guys very much. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel to receive the latest reviews about the Arduino. Next video we are going to be controlling the LED using a potentiometer. So keep track by subscribing to my channel. Thanks you guys very much.